Last month, I changed one small thing in my home, and within 3 weeks, my joints stopped aching. I started sleeping through the night, and strangers began asking if I'd lost weight. I'm 62 years old, but something shifted in my body that made me feel like I turned back the clock by a decade. What I discovered has nothing to do with expensive renovations or complicated wellness routines. It's something you can do tonight before bed, and if you stay until the end, I'll show you exactly how this one simple shift triggers a physical response in your body that actually slows down how aging feels. Here's what happened. 3 months ago, I woke up every morning feeling like I'd been hit by a truck. My lower back ached, my knees creaked when I stood up, and by 2 p.m. I was so exhausted I could barely keep my eyes open. I blamed it on getting older. That's what everyone does, right? However, I then read something that stopped me in my tracks. A study from Harvard Medical School found that chronic stress and poor sleep don't just make you feel older, they actually accelerate cellular aging by increasing inflammation in your body. And here's the part that changed everything for me. The study pointed out that your home environment, the place where you spend most of your time, has a direct impact on your stress hormones, your sleep quality, and your inflammation levels. That's when I realized something shocking. My home wasn't helping me age gracefully, it was making me age faster. Every corner I looked at made me feel tired. Every room felt heavy. And my body was responding to that heaviness every single day. Let me explain why this matters for your body, not just your mood. When you live in an environment that constantly triggers stress, whether it's visual clutter, poor lighting, or spaces that make you feel overwhelmed, your body releases cortisol. Cortisol is your stress hormone. And when cortisol stays elevated day after day, it does three things that make you feel older faster. First, it disrupts your sleep. You might fall asleep, but you never reach that deep, restorative sleep your body needs to repair itself. Second, it increases inflammation in your joints, your muscles, and even your brain. That's why you wake up achy and stiff. Third, it drains your energy by keeping your nervous system in a constant state of alert. Now here's the good news. Research from UCLA showed that people who made specific changes to create calming, organized environments saw measurable drops in cortisol within 2 weeks. Their sleep improved. Their pain levels decreased, and their energy came back. That's not about positive thinking, that's about biology. Your body responds to your environment. And when you change your environment the right way, your body follows. So what's the one change I made? I created what I call a reset zone in my home. Now, before you think this is just another self-care corner or meditation space, let me explain why this is different. A reset zone is not about relaxation or sitting quietly with your thoughts. It's about giving your nervous system a physical location where it can switch from stress mode to recovery mode. Here's how you create one and why each step matters. Step 1. Choose one small area in your home that gets natural light. This could be a corner of your bedroom, a spot by a window in your living room, or even a chair in your kitchen. Natural light regulates your circadian rhythm, which controls your sleep-wake cycle. When your body knows when to be awake and when to rest, your energy stabilizes and your sleep deepens. Step 2. Remove everything from that space except 3 things: one comfortable place to sit, one soft texture like a blanket or cushion, and one living plant. The reason this works is simple. Visual clutter keeps your brain scanning for threats. It exhausts your mind without you realizing it. But when you create a space with only 3 calming elements, your brain stops scanning. It relaxes. And that relaxation signals your body to lower cortisol and start repairing itself. The plant is not just a decoration. Studies show that being near living plants reduces blood pressure and anxiety. Your nervous system recognizes life and growth, and it calms down. Step 3. Spend 10 minutes in this space every morning right after you wake up. Not to meditate, not to journal. Just to sit. Sit with your coffee. Sit with a glass of water. Sit and look out the window. This simple act resets your nervous system before the stress of the day begins. It tells your body, we're safe, we have time, we don't need to rush. And that message, repeated every single morning, changes how your body ages. If this is making sense to you, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. where I'll show you 3 more changes that support this reset zone and amplify the results. And drop a comment below telling me, do you have a space in your home that feels calm, or does every room feel chaotic right now? I read every single comment and I want to know where you're starting from. Now, once you create your reset zone, there are 3 small things you can add to make the results even stronger. Number 1, clear your bedroom of anything that doesn't support sleep. That means no laundry piles, no stacks of papers, no TV if possible. Your brain needs to associate your bedroom with rest, not tasks. Number 2, add 1 small source of warm light in the room where you spend your evenings. Harsh overhead lights keep your body in daytime mode. A small lamp with a warm bulb signals to your brain that it's time to wind down. This improves melatonin production and makes falling asleep easier. Number 3, keep one surface in your home completely clear at all times. Just one, your kitchen counter, your coffee table, your nightstand. Pick one and never let anything pile up there. This becomes a visual anchor. Every time you see it, your brain registers order and calm. And that small moment of calm accumulates throughout the day. These 3 changes work together with your reset zone to create an environment where your body wants to heal, rest, and restore itself. Here's what happened to me after I made these changes. In the first week, I noticed I was falling asleep faster. I wasn't lying awake with my mind racing anymore. By week 2, my morning stiffness started to ease. I could get out of bed without groaning. By week 3, my energy in the afternoon came back. I didn't need a nap just to make it to dinner. And by week 4, people started noticing. My husband said I looked lighter. A friend asked if I'd changed my skincare routine. But I hadn't changed anything except my home. That's when I realized this isn't about decorating. This is about biology. When you remove stress from your environment, you remove stress from your body. And when your body stops fighting stress every day, it has energy left over to repair, to heal, and to feel younger. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one corner of your home today, clear it out. Add light, softness, and life. Sit there tomorrow morning for just 10 minutes. And then tell me what you notice after 1 week. If you found this helpful, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video, where I'll share the 3 biggest mistakes people make when trying to age-proof their home's mistakes that actually make inflammation worse. And if you want a step-by-step checklist for creating your own reset zone, I've put a free guide in the pinned comment below. Your home can either age you faster or help you feel younger. The choice is yours. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.